Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question.
Nirvana says, I have a friend's wedding I want to go to, but I'm short money wise. Any spells to bring me in quick cash so I can go on my trip? Working with the color green, working with the color gold, or working with the color yellow will all be fabulous things to do to work to get some money coming in. Right now, we're a day away. Yeah, tomorrow or the next day. Tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow. Tomorrow is the full moon. So you got today, and then we're going to be in a waning moon cycle. So do it today. Light a green candle, light a gold candle, light a yellow candle, and say the intention. I need X amount of money and I need it fast. A small candle is what you want. You don't want a big, long candle, big candle, like taper size, smaller taper, even a tall taper will burn in a day. You want to burn that candle in a day and get it fast, right? So that can be a way. If you've got money oil of any kind, you've got money magnet oil. Money magnet oil is about bringing that money to you fast. That's a great way of working too. So if you have money magnet oil, work with that one, work on the candle. That would be a quick and easy spell to bring that money in so that you can go to that wedding and say, I need, X amount of money from a good source within the next whatever week or however long it is that you need it.